What's good, guys? Let's look at Hound AI. What a stock. What a move it's made. I'm really excited for 2025 in what this stock can do. I think there's going to be strong moves, and I think this is going to be a lot higher than $15. What we're looking at here, I think personally, like especially if you look at the backdrop, the AI backdrop, and what's happening in the U.S. I think U.S. really wants to capitalize on AI and being one of the world leaders in, this technology. And that's across the board in all of artificial intelligence. It's not just chat GPT or whatever AI that you might be looking at. I think across the board the US wants to be a leader in the AI sector. Okay, that being said, I think there's in 2025 going to be a lot of demand for these AI stocks. So SoundHound must be on your watch list. Now, I purchased calls on November 14th on SoundHound. Now let's zoom into the daily time frame. Right here, I purchased calls. I purchased on this date. I have it written down here. So it was $15 strike. Now I'm going to try to make this pretty easy. It was $15 strike. January 16, 2026 calls, 2026 expiry, and they were calls, right? Call options. So I purchased these, and in this time here, witness this option, my options contracts rise 427% in a very short period of time. Now, I didn't expect I expected to make money for sure on this play. The chart setup was gorgeous, especially from like a weekly perspective, right? You have this massive accumulation. We have a nice run up and then a nice long period of consolidation here. And then we start to extend. The fact that it happened that fast, to me, it gives off the energy that, this stock is going to go a lot higher than what you expect it to, right? So previous all-time highs here on SoundHound are, what is it? Previous all-time high was like 1814. That's huge. You have to realize that I think this stock's going to go a lot higher. Now, as I further look into this from a technical perspective, I'm looking for a re-entry here. So what am I going to look for in terms of a re-entry, right? So I sold those for a gain of 427%. And now I'm looking, okay, what could potentially happen from a trade perspective to be looking for, right? So we had this massive move in a long period of consolidation, right? We have this massive move here, and then you have this long period of consolidation. I don't think a long period of consolidation is going to come here on SoundHound. I could be wrong, but the way I see this is that if we're looking, again, zoom out 2-day time frame, I think we're going to get a more vertical move coming in the next few weeks and months. Something that's kind of, like this, where you get this kind of banana shape upward and we continue to consolidate and make higher highs. Now, why I think that is because there's significant demand coming into this stock, and you could see that by just paying attention to the volume patterns here over the past year, right? The volume patterns, the higher highs and higher lows being made, the bullish consolidation patterns, the volume patterns, all this adding up to, the backdrop of what's going on in the States, AI being a very, prominent sector and almost like a buzzword right? So there's going to be people who are looking for AI opportunities, and SoundHound is 100% one of them. Daily time frame, we get this strong move, right? It gets a little bit far extended from the 8 EMA, and then we start to consolidate sideways, let the 8 EMA catch up, right? So that's what I like to see. Potentially we go sideways for a little longer, let the 21 EMA catch up, and this will give us that bullish setup, whether it's a 4-hour bull flag or a daily bull flag or some sort of falling wedge. I think there is a pattern developing, and it just needs a little bit more time to consolidate sideways. I'm looking for, an entry looking at these $20 calls. I don't know exactly when I'm going to enter, but I'm paying attention to, this type of pattern here where we see this extended move, a tiny consolidation, a brief period of consolidation, and during this period of time, what we're looking for is low bearish volume. We're looking for holding price action, right? So if you zoom into the 2-hour, we want to be holding a clear support. Or if you look at the daily time frame, smartly consolidating towards that 8 EMA. So around this level, $12.30 potentially. And again, while this is happening, paying a close attention to the volume on the stock, and I think the opportunity is going to present itself. So that's what we're looking for here on SoundHound. I think great opportunities on the way. If we get really lucky, we get a smart consolidation into early January that looks something like this. I don't think we'll be that lucky, but if that's the case, we could be looking at a $25 to $50 SoundHound. So that's the breakdown, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll keep you guys posted. Peace.